with you people?
You know what's hilarious? Everyone starts hacking like it's a school subject. They buy courses, they binge tutorials, they collect certificates like it's real flex. Then the moment they actually try to do something real, they freeze. Because here's the truth nobody wants to say. Cybersecurity isn't something you study, it's something you survive. The people who actually make money from hacking, they don't have perfect notes. They don't have certified in their username. They have scars, they have failures. They have the kind of experience you only get when you stop pretending and start doing. So yeah, you can study cybersecurity, you can memorize definitions, you can learn every tool and acronym, but if you want to make money, you need one thing. You need to hack, not learn to hack, meaning you break things, fail, learn, try again, and keep going. Because money doesn't come from theory. Money comes from finding real vulnerabilities. And real vulnerabilities don't care if you have a diploma. They care if you can exploit them. Here's the brutal truth. You start with a tool, then you realize the tool doesn't matter. You start with a VM, then you realize the VM doesn't matter. You start with a course, then you realize the course doesn't matter. What matters is your ability to think like a hacker, not like a student. And listen, I'm not saying don't learn. I'm saying stop treating hacking like a university degree. Because hacking is messy, it's chaotic, it's frustrating. It's not a clean curriculum. You're going to spend hours stuck on one machine. You're going to watch tutorials and still not understand what's happening. You're going to feel like you're wasting your life. But then one day, you find a vulnerability, you exploit it, you write a report, and you get paid. And that moment, that's when you realize all the studying was just practice. Because the real learning happens when you actually hack. The real path to money without wasting years. Here's what the real hackers do. They stop waiting for permission. They stop waiting for the perfect course. They stop waiting for the perfect laptop. They start doing. They fire up their terminal. They scan networks with Nmap. They intercept traffic with Burp Suite. They crack passwords with Hydra. They analyze packets with Wireshark. Not because they want to look cool, but because that's how you learn. The best way to learn hacking is to break things. Not in a stupid way, in a smart way. Don't ignore the basics. If you want to be good, you need to understand what you're breaking. Start with Linux. Because most hacking happens on Linux, but don't ignore Windows. Windows is the most targeted OS in the world. Learn how attackers exploit SMB vulnerabilities, RDP, brute force attacks, privilege escalation. If you understand Windows, you understand where money is made. Networking is the backbone. Learn TCP/IP, DNS, HTTP, HTTPS. Because if you don't understand how data travels across the internet, you'll never truly understand how to break it. Learn scripting, or you'll stay stuck forever. Python, Bash, whatever you prefer. Scripting is the difference between manual grind and automation power. In 2026, nobody has time to run the same commands forever. So if you want to make money, you automate. You build your own tools. You build your own workflow. You become efficient. Now the real part, practice. Here's the only way to improve. Challenge yourself every day. That's why platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box exist. They give you real labs, real scenarios, real pressure. And if you want money, bug bounty platforms like HackerOne and BugCrowd are where the real work happens. You start with easy bugs, cross-site scripting, SQL injection, misconfigurations. Then you level up. You learn business logic bugs. You learn RCE, privilege escalation, SSRF. And suddenly, you're not just hacking, you're making money. The moment you become a real hacker is the moment you stop replaying tutorials and start breaking things on your own. Start thinking for yourself. Start testing real systems. Start writing real reports. Because the report is the money. Finding the bug is the fun. Reporting it is what gets you paid. And once you build a strong portfolio, you can move into freelance pen testing, full-time security roles, consulting, or building your own security business. Companies will pay you because you've proven you can break systems and explain how to fix them. The real final truth, hacking isn't something you wait to start. It's something you do. And once you start, you'll never stop. The more you master your skills, the more opportunities you'll find. And yes, that leads to serious money. So if you're ready to take the leap, start today. Don't wait for permission. Start hacking and let your skills do the talking. If you want content that actually teaches you how to hack, not how to pass an exam, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. What do you want to hack first? Web, network, Windows, bug bounties, and I will see you in the next one.